Hi class, I promised, or I didn't promise, but I thought I would send just a quick screencast on how to use Brightspace, just really quick to get you going on the first assignment. Remember that when you're in My Home, or if you're in the actual course, the most important tab to go to is Content. So you click on Content, and you'll notice that over here on the left are these folders, and over on the right is the content of the folders. So for example, let's go to syllabus and stuff. Remember I showed you the syllabus is right there, the reading is right there. Now, if you're in my church history class, the setup is pretty much the same. So in all my classes, I have pre-class assignment, first day assignment. First thing you do is you download the Get to Know You sheet and you fill it in red. Remember, the questions are in black, the answers are in red, and make sure you put a picture in there of yourself. Then you go to turnitin.com and you upload it there. And when you go and set up your account at turnitin.com, this is the class ID depending on which section you're in. And it looks like my church history section class ID is not there, but church history people, you have it. Right there, this is the password that you enter. It's just password. And then you go here and you click. This shows you how to put your picture in Brightspace. But let me just show you real quick. All you do is go up to Profile, click on Profile, and then Profile you go here and change your picture. Just click on, take the picture off your computer. Very, very simple. So let's go out of that. Let's go back. So, and the other thing was to update your notifications. And that link shows you how to do it. But I'm just going to show you really quick since I'm right here in Brightspace. All you do is go to Notifications, click on Notifications, and then down here, be sure, I ask that if you would, please make sure that you tick the SMS right here. That is texting. That allows me to send a text message in case class is canceled or there's an update that you need to know about. So those are the main things that have to be done before class Tuesday. Also, if you go up to, let's go to pre-class assignments again, and we go right here to the first assignment. If you're in my church history class, it's Prelude to the Restoration. Here in the Book of Mormon class, it's the Divine Origins of the Book of Mormon. And despite which class you're in, there's always a background. There's always, here's what you read, and then here's the instructions, what I want you to do. And if you recall, I told you take the questions that are in Brightspace, copy them, open up Microsoft Word, paste them like I did here, simply paste them, and then make your responses in red so that I can see your, my TA and I both, Rachel's her name, so that we can see what you responded to. And then once you create that Microsoft Word document, you save it onto your desktop, and then go right here at the bottom of all my Brightspace pages. There's a click here to upload your assignment. It'll take you into a Dropbox. That's a Dropbox symbol. And you simply add your Microsoft Word document. Boom. It's as simple as that. And again, you notice I clicked on Content. Content shows everything in here. And if I click on Pre-Class Assignments, notice here on the right-hand side, here's all the assignments. You do have to hit Load More to get to the very end. And by the way, these are all the drop boxes where you're uploading your attachments to. But I've created links from the instructions here to the Dropbox here. Hope that helps.